Hello Mesa Verde members. I'm on number 9 here today to discuss a new local rule. The golf committee has passed the implementation of a new local rule. It's model F-5, which refers to immovable obstructions close to the putting green. So we're going to review quickly how you take relief and when you're allowed to take relief. So the question is, how does this affect me on the golf course, this new local rule? And here's a perfect example. My ball is off the green and I'm trying to go to that flag and I would love to putt, but this sprinkler head is right in my line of play. So normally under the rules of golf you do not get any sort of free relief from that obstruction. But with the implementation of the model local rule F5, you are now at Mesa Verde going to be allowed to take relief for this line of play obstruction. But there are two things you need to remember is the 2 and 2 rule. And what that means is for me to be able to take this line of play relief, this obstruction or the sprinkler head must be within 2 club lengths of the putting green, and my ball must be 2 club lengths from that obstruction or that sprinkler head. So for example, if my ball is a little farther back and all of a sudden I'm now out of that 2 club length zone, I would no longer get line of play relief. Okay, so again, to be able to take this line of play relief, that obstruction has to be no farther than 2 club lengths from the putting green surface, and my ball has to be no farther from 2 club lengths from the sprinkler head. But lastly, it needs to be reasonably on your line of play. So as you can see here, if I'm going to that pin and I want to putt, that sprinkler head is very much reasonably on my line of play. But if my ball is just over here, maybe another yard or so, somebody can't claim that in their line of play. This putt's not going to break that much. So again, it's got to be reasonable on your line of play to take that relief. Okay, so how do I take my relief? As a right-handed player, I need to find my nearest point of relief, for this is no longer in my line of play. So just backing up slightly is more than likely going to be my nearest point. I'm going to put a tee here, because by the time I move my feet over here and put my putter down, you can see that this point, it's much farther from the ball than here. So this is my nearest point of relief. Now if I take a club length and you can kind of imagine a semicircle club length, I've got all that area to drop this ball. So I would drop it. We're now from the knee height, and my ball is now in play. Thank you so much for watching our tip on our new local rule, and we really hope it helps you enjoy golf at Mesa Verde even more.